What's the matter?
I don't want to hide it.
What, did you want the last piece of pizza?
No. Don't hide it.
Oh, I hit it on you. You're pretty smart. You knew it, huh? Oh, say, Dada, don't trick me.
Dada, don't trick me. Can I have that last orange?
Sure.
You finish that one first, Max.
Max, you already had 2 slices. That's too much.
You really like that pizza, huh?
Maruk besar.
It's yummy.
How about this guy?
Your eggs.
Kenapa?
I don't even know what the hell he's putting in his mouth right now.
Me and him.
That's the orange.
Guys, why do you eat all of the orange?
We have more oranges. Don't worry, Max. If you need some.
What does he want now? Oranges?
So why you eat all the oranges?
You want orange, Max?
I have one.
You want to have a lot? Okay, I'm on it.
Let's